Hi, this is Patrick Rourke with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. The Boston Whaler is 60 years old this year, so it's going to be the 60th anniversary. The boat is powered by twin 225 Mercury Verados. I'm going to step onto the boat. This one does have the optional swim patio. Great for diving or for kids. Large seat in the aft. Nice entryway. Large live well with cooler. What I like about this boat, it's a low helm on the fiberglass T-top, so you never lose visibility when you're getting on plane. Twin bolster seats. Moving forward, very large seating area forward. I have this set up so you can see starboard. We do have a leaning seat here, which is pretty neat, very popular for the family, as well as the seat laying down so you can see how it is for a sun pad. We do have storage underneath all three sections. We also see a latch there for the forward table. Access to the locker forward for the windlass, as well as a large seating area. I'm going to open this up here for you. Large garage storage. Those are two 5-gallon buckets. Nice rod storage for 5 rods. It's about 3 feet, 4 feet deep, so a lot of space there. Once again, Patrick Rourke at MarineMax in Clearwater. We're on board a 2018 Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. Give me a call at 813-909-5064. Talk to you soon.